Hey guys, today I have a declutter and I'm just going to be decluttering stuff from my collection that is old or I don't use, and I thought I'd go ahead and film it with you guys. I also am going to do like an updated collection tour and organization after I do this, because after I declutter all this I'm going to be wiping down everything, cleaning everything, and then doing a whole video so you guys can see my whole collection, how I storage things, even though you can see quite a bit of it during this whole process. But I do want to just like clean everything and wipe it down and kind of go through my whole collection. So this might be a long video, and yeah, if you like this kind of video, then I hope you stick around. I have been doing a lot of makeup of the day, shop my stash, over on my Instagram if you want to follow me over there, because that's where I'm headed towards. I really want to start using what I have, panning palettes, really using up a lot of things. And I already know I'm going to declutter this. This is the Pony Effect. It gives like a light coverage, but I feel like I don't use it enough, and I have way too many to use up as well. So that is the first thing that I'm going to be decluttering. Another thing back here that I know is the old Huda Beauty foundation. This is more than halfway done. I've been using the crap out of this, and I actually just purchased her newer formula. If you guys want a review and demo on this newer formula, oh, not this one, this one, her newer formula, let me know. I've been trying it out, so I do have some thoughts on it if you guys want a full review and demo. I know I'm kind of late to the game, but you know, it is what it is. Next thing, I think the rest of these are fairly new or higher end ones, so I will be keeping these. So I'm going to just scooch these forward, and I do enjoy mixing foundations to kind of use them up. And here I have more lighter coverage, dewier foundations. And the first one I'm going to get rid of is this one, the Do You. It smells amazing, gives great coverage, but I've had it for way too long. It's more than halfway done. It's probably around here. And yeah, so that one's going to go. Next one is this one, the Peach Perfect. Another one that I love. I love the smell of it, the coverage, the whole 9 yards. But it's another one that needs to go bye-bye just because, yeah, it's pretty old by now. The next one that I'm going to get rid of is this one by Natasha Denona. I love this for mixing it in with matte foundations. As you can see, I have used the crap out of this one as well, so I really got my money's worth off of this one. And I think all the rest of them in here are fairly new, and I'm just going to try to bring them down as much as possible. So still a lot left, and this is why I am on a low buy. And I have been sharing makeup of the days and stuff like that. Let me know what other kind of videos related to using up your makeup or anything like that you guys want to see. I really want to try to do a palette bingo that a lot of you guys suggested. So next in here is setting sprays. Oh god, this is kind of hard because I feel like I use most of these. I don't have like any issues with most of them. I haven't been using this one, so I'll go ahead and take this out, the Grace and Stella Rose Spray. That's not really a setting spray. This one also is pretty old, and I've used it halfway, so I'm going to get rid of this one, the Glowy Elf Mist, just so I can start concentrating on a lot more of the ones that are newer and not as loved. So yeah, and this one also, this one's pretty old, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter it as well. This is by Item. Really enjoy it. It's more than halfway done, and they actually already changed the packaging. I don't even think that they have this anymore, so I'm going to declutter that. What else? All of these other ones are fairly new, so we're just gonna scooch this one in. So we're gonna leave those. Next up are mascaras, and there are quite a few here that are pretty old, and I need to declutter. This one by Wander Beauty, I've used it a ton. It's more than 3 months. Getting rid of it. This link is pretty new. This one I really loved, the MAC Extended Play. The brush is really good and small, but I also have had it way too many months. I'm gonna get rid of that one. Is there another one? This Bobbi Brown one as well. I'm gonna get rid of that. This Tardis, I don't care for the brush. I'm gonna get rid of that. This one's old as well. This is the Beyond Mascara from City Beauty. I'm going to get rid of that. And yeah, as you can see, I still have boxes of new ones back there. So that's one of the reasons that I'm really trying to concentrate on using what I have and get rid of stuff little by little. And here I have brow pencils. Oh, I'm going to have to get rid of, what is it? Where are you? The Merit. I've used this a ton. Really, really enjoy it just for those days that you're in a hurry and just want your brows to look a little bit more fuller. Really great. But I have had it quite a bit, like for quite some time. Next ones that I'm going to get rid of are these. These are the little fork kind of looking brow pencils. And I don't really care for them as much as other ones, so I'm going to get rid of these two because I do prefer more of a pencil or powder form, or even like the little spoolie one, but I don't know why. And when I talk about fork, what I mean is this kind of pencil is like that. I don't really care for that. I rather something thinner or just something that I can brush through my eyebrows. So I had already decluttered about 20 palettes or so, and I'm not sure if I shared them or not, but I decluttered around 20 palettes. And the only other one that I want to declutter is this one from Jaclyn Hill with Morphe. This is the Dark Magic. I just feel like this is very patchy. I just can't get it to work for me, and the colors are more grungier. I do enjoy the other three that are in this collection, but this one just I'm giving up on, so that one's going to be decluttered as well. From concealers, I took out the Juvia's Place. As you can see, it doesn't even have the name on it anymore. I've just really used this up a ton. And the cap actually detached from the applicator because it's that old. But I love that one. The Kylie Jenner, as you can see there, it's just starting to go bad. And she actually just like relaunched her line. This one from Pat McGrath, same thing, as you can see there, not in really great condition, and I have like a love-hate relationship with this. And then this I got, I don't even remember, I want to say in a BoxyCharm, but I don't really use it. I tried it quite a few times, like as an under eye primer to kind of like brighten, but it's just not that great. It's more glittery than anything else. And then the other concealer that I might declutter, I'm going to try it out one more time, is this Becca. It's just kind of heavy on the under eye. You're just supposed to use a little bit in areas that you need to color correct, but I don't know if it's the shade that's just way too light for my under eye, and it kind of accentuates stuff more. You know what? I'm going to declutter it. I just gave myself the reasoning. So these are the ones that are left. I'm going to be cleaning out all of this. From my lip collection, I took out the Jeffree Star ones. These are really rancid and old. And then the Kylie lipstick is also like that. And then this one from Huda Beauty is just a shade that doesn't look flattering on me. And I'm just going to get rid of it. And then this is a shade I really love from MAC, the syrup one, but it's all janky. For powders, I am just going to clean this up. I am going to keep all the ones that I do have and hopefully start hitting pan. I have hit pan on some of these that I have shared in my Get Ready With Me kind of flat lays that I've been doing on Instagram. But overall, I'm just trying to use up what I have. Hopefully, I don't get sent anything else because if not, I might have to take a few of these out. The last item that I decluttered from my collection is this one by Rodial. It's their liquid blush, but this comes off so sheer and shimmery on me that it's basically a highlighter, but I don't even like it as a highlighter. And I'm going to declutter it. And that is it. That is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched the whole way through, if you want to see more, watch out because I will have my full collection like here for you guys. And then also if you want to see more like makeup of the day, trying to use up my products, trying to pan them, follow me on Instagram. And if you have any ideas for more videos, leave them down below. I am not trying to purchase anything, but I would be open to reviewing any of the items that I have, or actually you know, doing other fun videos that you guys want from me. Anyways, take care. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.